Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am discussing ODE topic, that is critical points of the system. This is the very important topic for CSR net and as well as KSET and many other entrances also. Okay, I am giving some tricks and I am solving some important questions asked in various examinations like CSR net, KSET and other entrances. Okay, now you have to see the first question. The critical points of the system dx by dt is equal to minus 4x minus y and dy by dt is equal to x minus 2y, as they given four options. Option A is asymptotically stable node, the option B is unstable node, and option C is asymptotically stable spiral, and option 4 is unstable spiral. These are the four options. Okay, these questions, the critical points of the system is based on eigenvalues of the characteristic equation. Okay, now we have to, first of all we have to construct a matrix, and now have to check the eigenvalues are what are the eigenvalues we get. The overall depend on eigenvalues. Okay, now then we have to check the nature of that eigenvalues. Okay, now we have to see the one important note. The first point is, if both eigenvalues are same sign and belongs to real number. Okay, that is node. For example, we observe that minus 2 comma minus 3 or 9 comma pi, these are same signs. Here minus is there, same signs, and plus is same signs. Okay, and second point is if both eigenvalues are negative and belongs to real number. Okay, that eigenvalues is negative and belongs to real numbers. That means that eigenvalues is real eigenvalues. Okay, that means that is the nature of that the system is asymptotically stable, or we simply call as a stable node. For example, we see the minus 2 comma minus 2 or minus 4 comma minus 5. These are the both eigenvalues are negative. Okay, and the third point is, if eigenvalues are real, if both the eigenvalues are real and there are distinct, lambda 1 not equal to lambda 2 means that eigenvalues are different. Distinct means different and opposite sign. Okay, that nature we call as saddle point. Okay, for example, minus 2 comma 2, these are the different eigenvalues as well as the sign is opposite. Okay, here minus is there, here plus is there. And another example is 9 comma minus 10, here plus is there, minus is there. Okay, then fourth point is if both the eigenvalues are real, if the both eigenvalues are real and both eigenvalues are distinct, lambda 1 is not equal to lambda 2 means both eigenvalues are different, and if both are positive, that nature we call as unstable node. If the both eigenvalues are negative and belongs to R, that is stable node. If the both eigenvalues are positive and distinct and belongs to real, okay, that nature we call as unstable node. Okay, and fourth point is if both the eigenvalues are complex, both the eigenvalues are complex and lambda k is equal to ak plus I bk. Ak means real part of the complex function and bk is imaginary part of the complex function. Here ak is not equal to 0, that means the real part of the complex function is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. That nature we call as spiral point. Okay, if a is greater than 0, that means real part of the function, real part is positive, that is unstable or outward. If the real part is negative, that is less than 0, that is stable or inward. Okay, and now then next point is if the real part is real part of the ak is equal to 0, then that is lambda k belongs to IR. IR means imaginary part of Okay, that is a center. Okay, that nature we call as a center. Now we have to see the example. We get the idea about the concept. Okay, solution. What they given? They given a system of ODE dx by dt is equal to minus 4x minus y, and dy by dt is equal to x minus 2y. Okay, now we have to construct a matrix. Okay, that is x dash is equal to a x. Okay, here x dash is dx by dt. Okay, dx by dt or dy by dt. Okay, x dash means here a is coefficients of x and y. Okay, x is capital X is x and y. Okay, therefore here a is what we get, coefficients of x and y, minus 4 and minus 1 and 1 minus 2. This is the matrix we constructed by using these systems. X coefficient is minus 4, that is minus 4, and y coefficient is minus 1, and x coefficient is 1 and y coefficient is minus 2. This is the matrix. Okay, now we have to find the eigen values. Okay, now we have to find the eigen values by using characteristic equation. A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay, we no need to substitute all values. Okay, I am giving a trick for solving this matrix by 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, the trick is if the characteristic equation of 2 by 2 matrix is lambda square minus trace of a lambda plus determinant of a is equal to 0. Okay, trace of a is what? The sum of diagonal entries. Okay, what is the sum of diagonal entries? Minus 4, minus 2, minus 6. That is lambda square minus into minus is plus 6 lambda plus determinant. What is the determinant of this matrix? Minus plus 4 to the 8 plus 1 we get, and that is 9. This is equal to 0. Then we get the eigenvalues are lambda is equal to minus 3 comma minus 3. Okay, this is the required eigenvalues. Now we have to check the options. Okay, these eigenvalues are both eigenvalues are negative. These both eigenvalues are negative. Now I have to see the second point. If both the eigenvalues are negative and belongs to R, that if both the eigenvalues are negative and belongs to R, that nature is asymptotically stable or stable node. Okay, now we have to check the options. Okay, that is option A is the correct option. Okay, unstable node is wrong option. Okay, asymptotical stable spiral, but this is not complex roots. That's why we directly eliminate this. And unstable spiral, this is also wrong because the given eigenvalues are not complex. Okay, like this we eliminate the options. Okay, now we have to solve the one more problem asked it CSR NET 2018. Okay, consider the system of differential equation dx by dt is equal to 2x minus 7y and dy by dt is equal to 3x minus 8y. Then the critical points 0, 0 of this system is the given four options: asymptotically stable node and unstable node and asymptotically stable spiral, and fourth option is a unstable spiral. Okay, now we have to write down the matrix. A is equal to, we write down the matrix directly. What we get? Matrix 2 minus 7 3 minus 8. This is the matrix we get. Now we have to find the characteristic equation. Okay, lambda square minus what is trace of A? 2 minus 3. 2, it is 2 minus 7 and 3, that is minus 8. This is minus 8. Okay, 2 minus 8, what we get? Minus 6. Okay, that is plus 6 lambda and plus what we get, determinant minus 16 plus 21. What we get? Now we get the eigenvalues lambda is equal to minus 1 and minus 5. Okay. Therefore, now we have to observe that these eigenvalues, both eigenvalues are negative. Both eigenvalues are negative. Okay, that means what? Asymptotically stable node. First option is correct. Okay, we directly eliminate the second option, that is unstable node is given. Okay, that is asymptotically stable spiral, but this is not a complex roots, that's why we eliminate option 3 also. And unstable spiral is they given, this is also wrong, but because these are the not these not complex roots, these are real roots. Okay, we have to remember the this important note. We you solve the questions within seconds. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.